Screamhaven Shorts. They say the mind remembers what it wants, and forgets what it must. At Briar Ridge Treatment Center, tucked deep in the pines of New Jersey, patients began to show rapid progress. Not from pills, not from behavioral therapy, but from her. Her name? Dr. Ella Sloan. A music therapist, or so they claimed. No one quite remembered when she started, but once she did, everything changed. Patients struggling with addiction stopped craving. Those gripped by anxiety breathed easier. The deeply depressed began to smile again. Every Wednesday morning at 9 a.m., the sound of a piano would echo from the small rec room. Soft. Hypnotic. Like someone coaxing pain into melody. Patients described her as graceful, always in dark colors, her presence soothing but distant, like remembering someone from a dream. When the center's director tried to formally recognize her, things unraveled. There were no employment records, no ID, no billing logs. She didn't exist on paper. When they checked the security footage, there was no one ever sitting at the piano. No one entering the rec room. Just the patients, swaying, smiling, humming to music no one else could hear. The piano was dust-covered, untouched. Except, there were fresh fingerprints in the dust. Perfectly shaped. Long, delicate. After she vanished, recovery rates dropped. Relapses surged. A quiet desperation returned. To this day, Briar Ridge swears no such therapist was ever employed. But every few months, new patients report having learned to play guitar by a woman in dark clothes with long black hair. They say she cured them. They say she's still watching. And she's waiting to collect the ones who heard her play.